Hey guys, it's Sparkpear here. Welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a very long time, and if some of you have visited my channel recently, you would have seen that all the old videos that we've done are gone, have disappeared. That's because I've deleted all of them. The reason why is because basically I wanted to sort of restart the channel, like do some new videos and like better quality and that sort of stuff. Yeah, so the first video I wanted to come back with is, as you can see, is fireworks. Coming back with the firework stashes. So this is the first part of my firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. So yeah, let's get straight to it. And first off, we have these. I'm sure all of you who are into fireworks and passionate about fireworks know what these I'm buying now, because they've been out quite a few years. The Silly Cow. Yeah, so there's the writing on the back if you want to read that. I'm sure most of you know that by now though, because yeah, they are pretty popular by now. So yeah, how much grams are in here? There's 163 grams in them. Them are pretty decent, it's 1.3G, so yeah. We have 2 packs of them again from Latif's, buy one get one free. Next off we have these shot tubes, Big Bad Bang. It says retail price of $19.99 there, but I think these was £10 or £15, buy one get one free. But because they don't have 2 packs of these, I got 1 pack of these and 1 pack of these atom bombs. They are not the original atom bombs, the proper loud ones. We never had these ones, so we don't know what to do. But they look pretty decent size again, so yeah, there. And then these Big Bad Bangs, there is, where is he? There, 64.5 grams. And yeah, I don't think there's any effects on them. I can't see any effects. But in the atom bombs there is 42.9 grams, so there's less in these ones. It's understandable though, because it's smaller, as you can see. There. There is smaller. But yeah, them should be pretty decent. Yeah. And next we got these Atomizers. We've had these for the past couple of years. A decent little firework with some crackles coming out of it. So yeah, as you can see there, crackling comets. How many grams in this? There is, if you can find it, there, 20.8 grams if it focuses. 20.8 grams. Yeah. So buy one get one free of them as well. Them were pretty cheap. Them was only $2.99, buy one get one free from Latif's as well. So yeah, pretty decent. Next off we have these, which is buy one get two free or three free, I think. Well, I got buy one get two free for $9.99, and these 12 packs of these coloured Roman candles. There's 10 shots in each of them. There, super 10 shot Roman candles. So yeah, that's decent. So there's buy one get two free, 36 tubes altogether, which is like 360 shots. So yeah, they're pretty decent as well. So there is a 2 packs here, but I've got a pack downstairs as well, where I've let 6 off already at the weekend. So yeah, right, these, we've never had these before, and these are the biggest that we've got yet. So as you can see, huge rockets, the destroyers, with a 3-inch fall on them. Basically a shell on a stick. So yeah, the retail price of these is $59.99, but from the taste you can get them for $49.99. Buy one get one free. So you get six packs of these altogether. 6 packs. I mean 6 rockets altogether. 2 packs basically. So buy one get one free. From Fireworking, how many? There 519 grams in the 3 pieces. So quite a lot. And the effects is brocade crown to green with red strobe pistol, gold willow to red crackling pistol. It might be, should be the same on this one. Yeah, same on that one. So yeah, I've seen the videos to them and they do look pretty big. Yeah, that might be an understatement when I say pretty big, but we will see. I'm going to try and take a video of one of these, or a few of these at least. So yeah, this is part 1 of the firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. And I'll be back soon with part 2, with a lot more. So thanks for watching guys, and stay safe.